Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video for trimming the wheel wells on an F-150 for 35-inch tires. I've included the products to the tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get right into it.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project. Give yourself around 1/2 inch to 1 inch of clearance from the tire to allow for compression of the shocks. Take it for a test drive and note any areas that need additional trimming. The crash bars may need to be hammered back for additional clearance as well. Hit the crash bar with some good force to move it back with a heavy hammer. I then use a level to see how much progress I'm making. It also might help to heat up the crash bar with a heat gun or torch to soften the metal.
You'll also need to make sure you trim the front edge just a little bit as well. Now, one thing I didn't show in this process was removing the front crash bar, and I had to do that when installing my road armor bumper, but that is something you will need to do if you're installing 35-inch tires, and I simply just hammered back the crash bar on the backside to give me clearance. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.